negligence. You want to tell me Ramaphosa didn't know about this? Did he ever come out and explain to us what exactly is happening? He doesn't care. The man is just a skeleton sitting there. He has no guts, nothing to lead the country. ANC, you want to be Ramaphosa? It's not our problem. But we are taking this action not against the ANC, but Ramaphosa as the president of the country. They must stop twisting people's minds around here and try to send people to come into our lives to try and explain to us, no, whatever failures, they understand the failures. We don't care whether they understand or they don't. It's their own problem. But Ramaphosa shouldn't be our problem as South Africans. If failures the ANC, but they must deal with themselves, within the ANC itself. We don't have a problem with that, but stop giving us Ramaphosa, as Kokele, Esbulala, Nibeni sitting and then understand the failures for the past 30 years. We have nothing to do with that. We never went go to your conferences and appoint Ramaphosa to be the next whatever it is he is. But all we are saying now, we don't need Asimfoni Ramaphosa. Eastern Cape is on the ground. It's on poverty. It's the most poorest poverty. It's the most poorest province in Nansiga in South Africa. And then must we live with that? We're coming from that province. It's so sad. People, they think we're making jokes here. No, guys, no. Ramaphosa makasuke yena asimfuni thina singabantu base South Africa asimfuni and Sathumelo mama right now. If nale message ayivakali sizawuziqhubeza waves asuzuyeka asimakayazi ba there's more waves to come. If he wants us to intensify, we'll intensify until the last man standing. We're not going to stop. Inkosi Sizwe.
Yo, wathetha kamnandi but Monks John siyabulela ndiyabona pha kune comment kanansi Sis Eunice uyabuza ukuthi what happened she was out of ilentoza idata hayi into yaziyo ile henzekayo ile uyaziyo lencindezi esiphansi kwayo country wena Sis Eunice leyo ukuthi ungabikho imisebenzi leyo ukuthi sibulawela abantwana leyo ukuthi abantwana bethu bayalahleka abanyamalala akho umuntu ubuyayo azo account for that leyo ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho leyo ukuthi kuthathwe ilizwe lethu la unikezwa amabhulusi lokho sihleli leyo ukuthi asisakwazi uhamba ezitratweni zethu sikhululekile crime sixuthwa izibhaji sixuthwa ifone every day thina sebenze 24 months ubhatala i-contract yes guys lento dafika kule ndawo ye-contract abelungu guys ba clever kakhulu uyabona ukuthi bayazi ukuthi basenzele otsotsi pha estratweni amazasoxutha ezifone for 24 months when ifone yakho ine-6 months oyami yathatha ine-3 months off ine-4 months okanye ine-3 months bayithatha otsotsi bayoyithengisa kwabanye abantu cheap andazi ukuthi iphelela pha egqiba emveni koko ogqiba kwayo wona uzobhatala for 24 months awukho umthetho wokuthi kuthiwe if uye yathathwa kuwe uyastop ukubhatala wona ubhatala into ongasenayo esandleni 24 months. Guys, niyabona ukuthi siqinezelekile bayazi ukuthi uzophinda uqonda andikwazi ukuhlala ngaphandle kwefoni nithi niphinde ndothatheni ngosone contracts ezithu le ithathwe umtsotsi owenziwe ngumlungu cause aba bantwana banje into yokuthi umlungu kwi-agenda yokuthi umuntu omnyama ingqondo yakhe mayihlali nansikile iqinezelekile so Sis Eunice benzama ukuthi niphendule into ba kune march nge-9 kalento zaka-August Friday kuzo zonke city halls kulapho kudityanwa khona ngo-9 AM amanina azayilidisha i-march peaceful march ukuthi sithi uRamaphosa must fall sibaxeleke odade ukuthi babe khona kodwa bahambe emveni phofu besingabafuni actually otata uqala kwayo le campaign uqala kwayo besingacela ukuthi babe khona but bathi bomama sicela ukuthi sibe khona sizokwenza ukuthi sizokwazi ukuthi sikhululeke sinibone ukuthi niyayenza lento za le march peacefully akho umuntu oni lento zayo oni ihlukumezayo so bazabe khona for ukuthi bazosiprotecta ukuthi singahlukunyezwa siphathe kahle ilizwe lethu livakale so yonke le march esithetha ngayo ngoku so wonke umuntu ayikho politically affiliated inenska le march ayo ya ANC ayo MK ayo Tony ayo EFF ayo yambutho yeyethu thina singamakhosikazi so amakhosikazi kwilizwe lonke lase South Africa online provinces siyacela ukuthi amakhosikazi mawahlangane kwindawo ngendawo ancibeze imnyama ubonisa ukuthi sizilile Ramaphosa usiphilisa lempilo like sisebumnyameni Ramaphosa siphila kabuhlungu uyabona kufuneka ukuthi ayifile lento yeah kumele ukuthi yo guys ininzi kodwa into eyenzekayo ngelalanga 9 ka-August Friday, this coming Friday sesibala namhlanje siyalala ngomso siyalala kokugqibela on Friday ziyakhala ichayile makhosikazi zimbokodo sekuthenjelwe ukuthi bamane besisho nodada bathi guys sinithembile ukuthi nina anithethe into ingenzeki yani ka sithethe into ingenzeki kudala sihleli for iminyaka emininzi sinyamezele abuse lixesha lokuthi siphume and ke thina kumele ukuthi si understand even more better because sithi abaye bahlale sinyamezele abuse sinyamezele kweze relationships kodwa the day u decide ukuthi ndiyaphuma uphuma unempahla unesuitcase yakho kanye ibhegi yakho leyo ungene ngayo ushiye lento siyifunayo ke nathi masiphumeni uRamaphosa phofu makaphume kuthi okanye masiphumeni ke thina ke kuye I don't know kodwa whatever way ezawusebenza but ibe ingena Ramaphosa yiyo lesicela ukuthi abantu abangomama mabahlangane kwilizwe lonke jikelele siyazini ukuthi sithi Ramaphosa must fall kwanele abantwana bethu guys yabona le drugs yona andikaze yandihlupha kanje into empilweni yami okontazalo ujonga khomba ifuture yale country leyenzeka kanje andiyazi nokuthi xa kuvota noba benziwa njani nabo bahamba bayovotisa okanye sebebalwa njengabantu abangasekho emhlabeni okanye zikhiphani hayi guys kwanele Ramaphosa must fall babo Mageba masikwamkele baba
Commanders morning long time
molo baba
ngizovela ngibingelele nje nalaba bakwi comment section bayangizwa commanders izwe alibe izwe uma uhulumeni enza into yakhe ethanda uyena izwe relies on the citizens of the country ukuze kube yizwe and the local government wenziwa ama citizens awuzenzi lo government simbeka ezweni lethu yena mayisazophinda ayibona everything on top of us kuyakumele ukuthi asuse lo government because is no longer serving the citizens. You can go to all the world uye ngisho kulamazwe lawa acindezelwe ngogani njengala eZimbabwe. You will find citizens speaking the language of dissent because they are not happy with their government. But Abamakawat, they will run and they will never rise against their animal. Because an animal cannot be allowed to rule human beings. Labantu sibathathe sabeya lapha abayi-ANC namhlanje and sebephenduka sokuyibona manje sebe against us. Abasahambisani nentando yethu. Abantu abanjalo bayasuswa. Laba ababona ukuthi konke ezokwenziwa ANC after 6 years of mess, after 6 years of wasted years and time and resources, they are daydreaming. Because tomorrow it will be another problems. Our problems they have been piling one after another and the government are gonna solution. Instead, we perpetuate everything. Put a name to be simple to deal with. We are here escalate to be out of control. I will just take one thing. Ubondu government again ndaba namasins of this country. Abantu abamnyama in South Africa, they die in numbers under this president. 24,000 a year. But we are not in a civil war. We are not fighting wars. Are you involved into wars? But we are in a war with our government. A promoter and easy killings, easy availability of illegal arms into the country, lawlessness, hooliganism, looting, corruption, job loss, despair, depression, suicides. You know, penduga are dangerous to ourselves. Ingane have lost hopes. I say Boni, ziba something else in the near future. Says it noma ingane mangabe ithole umuntu embona ukuthi ngathi unemali ifise ukuba ingaba is that member of their family, or if nje noma ingakwazi nje ukuthi ingavele ilale naye ke ingenani. That's what is happening now. We don't have a government. And engenandaba nje ukuthi siyafa, it's because abafa abamhlophe kufa thina. Ama farms lawa awasa attack ama farms. Correct me if I'm wrong. It starts as he should attack ama farms. Abafa belungu. Abantu aba attack kakhulu abantu abamnyama. Namhlanje kuseni bekukhulunywa ngama foreigners okuthiwa kusazo verify citizenship yawo ngoba kuthiwa avela afika avulela nje umlilo kubantu angazi ama patrons or what ababulala and amaphoyisa abathola ngendlela abasearcha athola ukuthi banama ammunitions. There's a lot in there abangafuni ukusitshela khona. Laba bantu they are working for somebody. Just as nje basibona kukhona ama Libyans. And umoya uthi lokho esikubona kwama Libyans okusha lokho, it's just a tip of an iceberg, because in 2021 a whistleblower gave information ukuthi there is something going on. There are military camps popping up in the country. Uzizi ubekwe intelligence that time. Under Big Nose Cupcake. And lo Cupcake, yilo thathe intelligence wayivalele office lakhe ukuze anything ezovela i-expose izinto zakhe, i-expose a part of the agenda, asheshe ayifake into control lonto leyo. Yeah, that's what it is. That's why ubone kuba khona abantu abavele bafe nje ungazi ukuthi bokwenze njani. I will tell you ukuthi abantu abafe kwasala imbuzo yikhona nje la ku-ANC. uColin Shabane, there are questions there. Yeah, and the most of the stories ka Colin Shabane umuntu obokumele kube uyena upresident namhlanje. What happened? And then Jesse Jawate. And then Nanya Chomatis lower owavelwa iphahluluka into ukuthi ngoba wayelethe apparently idosia ye-corruption eyayisenziwa i-ANC lapha eParliament ngenkathi bebhizi nomkhwebana sebefuna ukukhatha i-deal ngoba kubo is all about money. uJoe Mati uyena kweyuzwa ke kulonto kwenzekani kuye immediately ikati umabuza manje yamkhumbula kwenzekani kuye simply because usuke wasanda radical lapho Malema khona wazwa wathi he's starting to speak what people want to hear. Because at that time why I mentioned into Eskom ukuthi how we should deal with the Eskom issue, and that time kwafaka uDureta lo wafaka ngamabomu ukuze destroy Eskom and wanikwa umsebenzi e-Europe in Germany as a reward for that. Ekade lo uPravin Gordhan emshaya nge-handshake check more than 10 million. ngokucollapse Eskom. The same Pravin Gordhan, under the very same big nose, lo othe yena akasoze account aveze spending sa Eskom wala kube parliament wabehlula wavikelwa beceleni. icourt isishilo yathi he must account, he must bring every record of spending of Eskom. We know that Eskom suspended more than $1 trillion. More than $1 trillion. Le trillion obukhale ngayo manje Msholozi ethi ufuna ukwenza ideal ye-nuclear. And yibo namhlanje sebezenzela ideal ye-nuclear nabangane babo. Because kuzoba namatenda badle kulonto leyo. I seem to remember ukuthi Eskom ngenkathi kwenziwa enye amaplanti ngithi iMadupi kule company uHitachi ngokuka BEE kwipolice ye-ANC uHitachi uthe menza le msebenzi ubenza phekwe komgomo ka BEE othi kumele bathathe ama-engineers ala South Africa ababonise le skill. And uThabo Mbeki uyavela ukuthi during that process kwaba khona ukuthi kuthiwe ngeke manje iqhubeke le company Hitachi. And lento yenziwa ubani? Uma kukhulunywa corruption ka Hitachi ubani umuntu ayiphethe ipublic works because uye lo cupcake. But kuzoba khona umuntu ozohlala njalo eblema uZuma. Akhohlwa ukuthi kwenzekani kulo 6 years ka cupcake. Akhohlwa ukuthi kuyi-term kaZuma bekunolo cupcake. And bekwenzekani futhi. Lo muntu ucreate crisis over crisis ever since wangena nemali ethenga yonke iconference namabhunu akhe nabangani aba overseas. That's where the whole thing comes worse ukuthi abhagene nge-country for the sake ukuthi yena be in power and serve the interests of the few, not for the people of South Africa. Wakembula kanjalo and nothing has worked. Namhlanje ANC ithi ifuna improve governance. Iyibi governance abangayazi from these 30 years be in power. What governance abangayazi for these 30 years in power? Because each and every leader that comes after other must learn. That's why for a hand over. But no, ANC hand over. You know why? Because there is a word about about it is a pro church. Besivala amehlo. Lapha la bantu balwa bodwa bama-faction. Because ikodesa inemgomo yayo. There are terms and conditions and kunabantu abanikeziwe lo leadership ukuthi isa-section kumele ihambe kanjani. Siyathi uZuma wangena efakwa ngenkani kwaphula lo mthetho yekodesa. Imthetho kaQueen Elizabeth ukuthi isa-section kufanele ihambe kanjani. In case mawukhona bangazi ukuthi ANC isene office namhlanje le eEngland. Isathatha le imiyalelo ukuthi how they should run this country. Every sona owenziwa la eSouth Africa, ANC we hand over to England. uRamaphosa is handing over to Charles. Umsholozi never handed anything. That's why he had to fall quickly. That's why your Pravin, they were always having meetings abroad, especially in England, plotting until Azambambe la meche mqosha khona, and then yachiki South Africa yam defender. What defender na abantu namhlanje sokunzima ukuthi bathi we are sorry. We defender uPravin Gordhan. O fana exactly na yo Cupcake. And the ongesabi ukwenza corruption. Akesabi. I will give you just a piece of it. Kuma contract ka Eskom. Indodakazi yakhe wayithatha wayifaka in the middle of that contract. A month. Loya mntwana, you'll be shocked when I tell you this. Ubenza 500 million from Eskom. Wa promoter ukuthi kusabotage ukuze kube nani kube nale load shedding, because ibe benefita close into lezo ngoba engathi ithanda bemvisa kakhulu iye security. Uthema sebanjiwe kwabekwe eceleni njoba namanje uyise wayo lengane uPravin uJamnanda ebekwe eceleni kwathiwa no keep quiet, let's just not talk about you. Even the media that asingasho lutho. Uzuma lokhu corrupt udle imali. Angazi mina ukuthi ngizothi imali iyiphi imali ayidlileyo. Abayidlileyo bebeyidla nayini. And maku lo mali bebeyidla naye bokweyani lo mali. Imalini ibeko ubani, uthathe malini kwasala malini. These are questions uma umuntu onengqondo ongafunzwa in most of the time ngepolitiki yezwe lakho. Mangafunzwa ngepolitiki yezwe lakho uyakwazi ukuyihlupha ube nale mbuzo in your mind. Lama crisis Joa City asanele. It's because sefike ekugcineni kunalento ekuthiwa Generation Z owona osofumele ubulawe this time. The cabal of the world wants to end the Generation Z. And the mega yaphela Generation Z kuyosala abantu abangezukuhlala isikhathi eside and they will die immediately. And to fasten up that process, you need to bring in viruses and then control food and then push drugs. Unfortunately, South Africa akazithola sovereignty. Akazithola during iphethwa mangisi, akazithola sovereignty iphethwe amabhunu. Ayizama amabhunu, but they were under attack right through. And they didn't get a space. Ukuthi athi akwazi ukuseklisha enze into ethandayo ngoba kuba akwazi ngabe abantu abamnyama abekho la eSouth Africa. Pressure become in all fronts because the ANC phoqakela ukuthi ahambe yoncetheza eEngland ithandi ingathandi, because amabhunu are inherited from the English. So uncetheza kwe-ANC kwakujustifiable ngaleso sikhathi, but kwakuncetheza abantu babe sober. Uma umuzwa kahle Oliver Tambo in most of his statement mayethi he's afraid ukuthi one day ANC or they will be the ANC ezovele ibe yi-elite nje ikhohlwe abantu. And why yashona exactly lento esibone ngoMandela. Why yashona exactly lento esibone ngoThabo Mbeki. And washo yona lento sibonayo ngaye uCupcake namhlanje. uZuma was a complete opposite of that version. That's why namhlanje was ukurise akwazi ukuthola support. Akwazi ukuthi speak the language le abantu abayaziyo. Uma sikhuluma ngestrike sikhuluma ngenhlupheko yomuntu osacindezela namhlanje for 400 years. And akasho nje lo language kuphela, he comes with solutions. And he invests himself in those solutions. Agami ngaphandle athumele.
Siyabulela Baba Mageba yo. Ngiyabona phakathi comment section. Uthiwa political ntonton aside. Please. So yeah, masisithi Khenile ka Ramaphosa Masifole. Yes, zonke izinto uzitshoyo vele ze-failures zakhe, but singabheshi any mbutho kwangoku. Uyabona masisi yadingana okwangoku sibeke necaleni ilento ze-differences. Kodwa guys, I understand le ndlela yinantsika oyibeka ngayo Baba Mageba, but at the same time asifuna ukuthi sibavulele umnyango abantu bazomane besithi ya niyabona ke seniphinde nayijika nayenza ngani lento.
Why no ukuthi abantu
ke baba
abantu bahlula ukubuka ukuthi isimo phambi kwakho mlisinjani. Njengamanje yini umuntu emjabulisayo ayibonayo lapha akhona ayikho. Uma sithi uSeramaphosa Masifole because we can see ukuthi county isikuphi, not ukuthi yapi now, because vele county dala icollapsile. Once icounty ya collapse kwi security kwakhona into njengalezi ukuyirecover ukususa lo muntu okuyena in charge. Ngiyavala nje ngithi ngomhla ka9 wonke umuntu akangesabi. Angesabi umuntu akaphumele phandle athole noma abe ibox leyo noma ilama placard abhaliwe maye nalo t-shirt futhi nayo ebhalwe khona ukuthi Cyril Masifole. You must wear it with pride. Izwe lilwelwa abanikazi balo. Izwe owner ugovernment. Izwe linabanikazi balo. Ngiyabonga Khumani.
Siyabulela Baba Mageba. Siyabulela ukhona ubhuti apha kwipanel uOskido. Uthi usebhizi ngeposters ke ngoku but nezikipa zizawulandela. Command but Oskido, I hope uyayazi ukuthi kusasa lilanga lokugqibela lokuthi sizifumane izikipa zethu. KwabaseGoli bangayenza indlela yokuthi badibane noNantsika kuloo ndawo bazaba kuyo azokwazi ukuthi afikelele kuyo kwenza ukuthi azoba nikeza izikipa. Masinxibeni guys ezizikipa cause nayo ziyi-branding etshoyo into bangaba uRamaphosa Masifole uNantsika imbokodo pha uNkwamandlazi lo ovele nge-emojis lapha ya ubhizi pha uba niyambona xa emane eveza iNantsika into i-video yakhe uthi ubhizi wenza ilento za i-posters for that day for Friday. Ezinye izinto azidingi nokuthi nibe nemali. Thatha nje i-box yakho njengoba Mageba esitsho ukuthi thatha i-box uyabhala ukuthi Ramaphosa Masifole uyabhala. Omnye uzawufika ebhale eyakhe ethetha nge-drugs, omnye uzawufika ebhale eyakhe abantwana abalahlekayo, omnye uzawufika ebhale eyakhe abantwana abareyitshwayo nabathenteni nabenziwa zonke izinto women ebulawayo. Nje kuzawude kube ninzi imessage okusalayo izawude ibe yi-1 okusalayo ifone umanage ukuthi ubhalele i-1 khona omnye ezabe ebhale enye because ninzi ingxaki esijongene nazo guys siyinantsika siyi-country especially singabantu abalintoza abangomama because abantu abangomama umuntu ongutata yena noba angangasebenzi mhlawumbi apha endlini ahlale kaphelwe ngumsebenzi but umuntu ongumama nguye oyawari ukuthi sizawulalana sitye ntoni namhlanje ithi ndihambe ke ndiye kwamazibane ndihambe ndiyonkinqa ndiyocela iNantsika into yokupheka uyaqonda akapha ngeke umuntu ongutata ahamba aphuma athiyo le nto uyocela iswekile kamakhelwane ijongene nathi luxanduva lethu iifamily zethu luxanduva lethu guys. So kumele ukuthi siphakameni simanyane singabantu abangomama kamnandi naba Baba Mageba bakhona obaba lentoza ukhomo bakhona ubhuti Monks John bakhona uAndis bakhona uOskido bayasupporta wonke umuntu bakhona lapha ku comment section abayivelayo le initiative good guys. Finally siyanibulela Zimbokodo isibindi senu nyani ke sinelentoza sinesibindi esibonisa ukuthi nyani sizimbokodo thina singabantu abangomama guys siyahlala nelentoza namabibi wefamily zethu, but mhla kwasweleka umuntu ongumama efamilini yonke into it starts falling apart. Uyabo le ndlela kweke kwenzeke ngayo xa kusweleke mhlawumbe ugogo wekhaya, thola ukuthi abantu sebeqala uzikhetha ukuthi mina ndiyikhazini, lo wayi-adoptiwe, lo wayetheni, kanti xa kukho umuntu ongumama yonke leyo nto uyifihla apha, akasoze aze izivele nakayi-one. Kodwa ke uba ke kwasweleka umuntu ongumama umuntu ongutata yes, kuba khona nje ukumoshakala ukuthile bake kwasheka umuntu ongutata, but xa kusheka imbokodo uyayazi ukuthi hayi okusala isibani apha ekhaya sisezawuhlala sikhanyana kanjani cause kusheke umuntu ongumama. So guys, sisisibani selizwe lethu, sisisibani se-South Africa.
So loyo nto leyo iyafuna futhi nayo ukuphakanyelwa ngoba izwe lethu alikho safe. Njengamanje njengokubona nje kubanjwe leya camp yabo leya, banento ethi amasosha namaphoyisa ngeke azabadefende bona indlela ababuka ngayo, ingakho sebezakhela eyabi army ezokwazi ukuthi defende bona njengohulumeni we-GNU. But siyadinga ukuthi siphakame ngokungamandla, siye emgaqweni nge-peaceful march leso ba namhla ka-9 sikwazi ukuthi siveze ulaka lwethu ukuthi sisekho right ngawe baba Ramaphosa, step down. And into emnandi-ke ukuthi ke konke sikwenzayo sikwenza njengama-citizen e-South Africa. Umethe umuntu hayi i-MK le yenza vele usho kahle ngoba phela vele i-MK iyona phela iwinile e-South Africa, vele abantu abaningi vele bayi-MK. Kodwa ngomhla ka-9 cha siya nje njengabahlali base-South Africa. Kudala sibulawa ngokudla okubolile okungekho right, kudala sibulawa ngama-drugs okungekho right. So nje Ramaphosa step down. Nakhona futhi kuningi kakhulu okumoshakele nje ukhona, baluza imisebenzi abantu, ukudla kuyabiza, petrol kuyabiza, yonke into awunayo solution baba. Kunalokho siyafa, nokudla esikudlayo kusidalela izifo. So nje Ramaphosa shona phansi baba, sikhathele nje uwe, sikhathele futhi nje nayona yonke into nje, yonke into ayiphethe nje ithinta zakhe izandla, ayikho into ithinta ephilayo ngaphandle ke leyo ukudestroya iSouth Africa. Cha leyo uyithinta ithinteke ngoba cha iyasebenza, kodwa ayikho into eyithintayo right ekwazi ukuthi yakhe iSouth Africa. So nje asiphumeni ngeinani sonke siyothi nje Ramaphosa must fall as abahlali base-South Africa. Kade sibuka nakhona ko-Nigeria, hey konakele ngane zakwethu, abantu basukumile nase-Bangladesh nakhona futhi basukumile, abantu abahleli basukumile abantu ngoba sikhathele ngane zakwethu, sikhathele ukuhluphekiswa. iSouth Africa i-rich ngendlela emangalisayo, kodwa ihlupheka ibadlula bonke abangenawo ama-resources. Sikhathele abantu abaqhamuka namaphepha esebethi nje hayi lo umhlaba wami, hayi lona thiwa ngizomba lana, hayi mini owner. Sikhathele abantu abaqhamuka kulamazwe angaphandle beqhamuka namaphepha abagunyazayo. Sithi nje Ramaphosa must fall. Kwathi ngelinye ilanga mangabe omama bethu betshala insangu, omama bethu bedayisa insangu, babeboshwa mihla namalanga. Mhla ugovernment esebona ukuthi insangu ilusizo kangaka, kanti uma ugovernment insangu eseyiphasisa akazange azabuyele kulabo mama laba ebabopha nobaba babopha ukuthi abanikeze certificate. Kunalokho uRamaphosa wanikeza abelungu certificate. Uma wena ufuna lo certificate leso sokutshala insangu ufuna ukhiphe 300,000, umbuzo uthi uzoyithatha phi lo mama lo imali. So kuningi kakhulu ngane zakwethu nje, Ramaphosa nje must fall ngane zakwethu. Into ebaluleke kakhulu la nje manje ukuthi kuma province onke ngane zakwethu asizameni ngawo wonke amandla ukuthi siyashumayela ivangeli leli kuma province onke, sizameni ngawo wonke amandla ukuthi siyabalekelela ngane zakwethu, ngoba ayikho province ekumele ibe semumva, ayikho province ekumele ihlehlele emumva. Wonke umuntu omnyama eSouth Africa kumele akhululeke ngoba sifuna ukukhula manje eSouth Africa. Kumele sibe nemarch futhi esibili yama-Nigerian nama-Pakistani lawa adayisa ukudla okubolile nama-drugs. Asinayo ingane ezokwazi ukubulawa ama-drugs. Ama-camp awavuke la azokwazi ukuthi zonke lezi ngane lezi ezama-drugs zithathwe ziswe khona. Iyona into esifunayo njengamanje. So njengane zakwethu nje hayi abagwazi abahlali umhla ka9 nje impela kujikijelwe ngempela kuthiwe nje Ramaphosa masifole. U-Anti Uzila to angazi noma iqiniso zaphe ukuthi iANC isiphasise umthetho lo wase-Orient ukuthi sebengaba yizwe, ngoba kade ngibuka nje kakhulu abelungu abaningi njengamanje badayisa imizi yabo. Uma ungangena nje ucheck-e nje imizi edayisayo uzobabona abelungu bedayisa imizi yabo, okusho ukuthi sebeyaziprepayela ukuya le ku-Orient naku-Western Cape ukuthi bayohlala khona. Loyo nto leyo bamnqamalala ukwayiphakamisa ngeweekend wathi sizoliphatha lelizwe leli ngaphandle kwabelungu, ngoba sihlupheka kunjena nje ilento ukuthi umuntu omnyama engqondweni yakhe wafakwa lento ethi hayi ngeke ukwazi ukuphila ngaphandle komlungu. Hayibo, sasiphila ngaphandle kwabelungu, kwakuphilwa ngaphandle kwabelungu, kutshala ukudla, kulinywa, sidle ukudla okuphilayo okungaguliswa. Zinyakho zonke lezi zifo lezo cancer, oshukela, nasemadodeni kubulewe yonke into yilokudla esikudla. Kwangekho yonke leyo nto leyo ngane zakwethu. So nje ama-Nigerian nje nawo nje ayifuna ngene indlela. Abantu labo nje bayi-West eSouth Africa abangasisizi ngalutho, lokho basidestroyela nje iy'ngane zethu nodade bethu nabafowethu. Iyona into abakude kakhulu kuyona. No my friend nabo nje ayikhale zemuke. Uma uthi uqoma my friend uqoma Nigerian kukuwena ukuthi uthenga ubuzo bakubo uhamba naye, ngoba asizovuma ukuthi kubulawe eSouth Africa, kubulawe lezi ngane, ngoba nakho nje sibona ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuteka over iSouth Africa. Akumelanga siphile njengabantu engazi ukuthi sekuyithina ama-foreigner ezweni lethu. Lonto le ngeke sesivume lezo. Sizoyiphatha nje iAfrica, siyiphathe futhi ngaphandle komlungu. Leyo nje izokwenzeka njengokubona ko-UK kuyimanje nje, nakuba UK nabani ade nabebhoka nabo bexosha abantu abamnyama, ama-foreigner futhi nabo angithi manje nabo bafila lento ukuthi uma sisigcwele sonke nathi laphaya, bayifila lento ukuthi nabo ezweni labo. Oh Nkosi yami.